Finding the best stainless steel rice cooker can feel tricky, especially when every brand claims to be the most durable and easy to clean. The truth is, the best stainless steel rice cooker depends on how you cook daily, but a well-built stainless steel pot really does make rice taste more consistent and last longer without that sticky buildup I've seen in cheaper models. I've tested and researched many of them closely, focusing on real kitchen use, not just specs, and I'll share what actually matters so you don't waste money. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Stainless Steel Rice Cooker. The Hamilton Beach stainless steel rice cooker feels like a simple, all-in-one helper for daily meals. It is easy to use and works well for rice, grains, and quick one-pot dinners. One-touch cooking makes it very simple when I'm in a rush. Steam rinse basket helps me steam vegetables while rice cooks below. It fits US-style family meals and handles breakfast oats or dinner rice easily. One drawback is that it is not the most compact option for very small kitchens. Still, cleanup is simple with a dishwasher-safe pot and a clear control panel. Overall, it is a reliable mid-range rice cooker for everyday home cooking. For busy households in the USA, the programmable settings help reduce guesswork and save time on daily cooking routines. It is a practical choice for small families who want simple, consistent rice without extra effort. It performs reliably for everyday cooking needs. Number 4. Zoyarushi Stainless Steel Rice Cooker. The Zoyarushi stainless steel rice cooker feels like a premium kitchen upgrade for perfect rice every time. I like how induction heating keeps temperature steady, so rice comes out fluffy and consistent. Induction heating gives better control than basic cookers. The stainless inner feel and solid build suit daily use in busy kitchens. Extended warm mode keeps rice fresh for hours without drying out. It works well for brown rice, GABA brown rice, and even meal prep routines common in US households. One drawback is the higher price, which may not fit every budget. Still, the cooking quality feels very reliable and close to restaurant-style rice. Cleanup is simple, but hand washing is recommended. Overall, it is a long-term investment for people who cook rice often. For US kitchens, it especially helps when cooking consistent rice for weekly meal prep and family dinners. Number 3. Aroma Select Stainless Steel Rice Cooker. The Aroma Select Stainless Steel Rice Cooker feels like a very simple daily kitchen tool for small meals. I like how it keeps cooking stress-free with a true one-touch system. One-touch cook start makes it easy when I just want quick rice without thinking. 304 steel inner pot feels sturdy and cleans up fast after use. The compact size fits nicely in small US apartments, dorms, or office kitchens. It is great for rice, oats, and even light soups. One drawback is the small capacity, so it is not ideal for larger families. The automatic keep warm mode helps food stay ready without overcooking. Cleanup is simple since the inner pot is dishwasher safe. For busy routines, it saves time and removes guesswork. Overall, it is a reliable pick for basic everyday cooking. It works well for beginners. Number 2. Elite Gourmet Stainless Steel Rice Cooker. The Elite Gourmet Stainless Steel Rice Cooker feels like a simple, no-stress kitchen helper for everyday meals. It has keep warm function that holds food ready without overcooking. The steel inner pot is strong and easy to clean after daily use. I like the simple set and forget style, especially when cooking for 1 or 2 people. Cleanup is quick, but hand washing the inner pot is still needed. The compact size fits small US kitchens or dorm counters without taking space. One drawback is the small capacity, which may not suit larger families. Overall, it is a budget-friendly option that keeps cooking very easy and stress-free. It also includes a simple automatic switch that moves to warm mode when rice is done. For USA-style busy routines, it works well for quick lunches or small dinners. It's not fancy, but it gets the job done reliably every day. A solid starter rice cooker overall. Number 1. COMFEE Compact Stainless Steel Rice Cooker. The COMFEE Compact Stainless Steel Rice Cooker feels like a simple kitchen helper for small daily meals. I like how it cooks rice, oats, and quinoa with steady results and no guesswork. One-touch cook panel makes it very easy when I'm in a rush. The presets help with brown rice and steaming without needing extra steps. Dishwasher-safe parts save me time after cooking, especially on busy nights. The stainless steel outer body wipes clean quickly and feels solid on the counter. One small drawback is the too cute size, which may feel tight for larger families. Still, for small households, it works smoothly and keeps food warm for hours. It also feels safe with built-in overheating protection for everyday cooking. For a small kitchen in the USA, it fits nicely on limited counter space. Overall, it is a practical choice for simple home meals without stress. Final verdict. Personally, I recommend the COMFEE compact stainless steel rice cooker as the best overall pick. It feels like the most balanced choice with its 6-in-1 cooking functions, easy one-touch controls, and stainless steel build that holds up well for daily use. It's simple enough for beginners, but still flexible for rice, quinoa, and even slow cooking, which makes it a great fit for most kitchens. Recommend the Elite Gourmet stainless steel rice cooker for a budget-friendly option. It keeps things very basic, but it does the job well for small meals and quick rice without extra complexity. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the one that fits your style and need best.